Hey, it's jreneejrenee, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of IL MAKIAGE, okay? So this is a brand that I am a brand ambassador, influencer, and I also create video tutorials for their website. So you can watch my artist page and buy the products directly linked from the video. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these products, I will have the links below for you to check out my videos. And basically, this box was a $200 purchase. I actually purchased this, but it was a gift card that I received as an influencer working with IL MAKIAGE. So I had $200 to spend, and this is what I decided to purchase. The inside of the box says untraditional, uncompromising. Can I read? Uncompromising, undeniably extra. That describes me. So what did I purchase? You know, I actually bought this a few months ago, and I've been waiting to unbox it because you guys don't realize I have so many products stacked up. I have right in front of me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PR boxes are stacked right across the room from me, and that's not even half of it. I have a whole bin full of skincare that I have accumulated. I have a whole box full of face masks that I haven't gotten any time to do, and I keep getting more and more. So I'm catching up, you guys, but this was a purchase I made a little while back, and I don't even remember what I bought. So this is going to be just as new to you as it is to me, because I don't remember. I think I bought some brow products, but that's the only thing I can remember. So what is this? This is the brow product. So this is called Highbrow. It's a set that comes with, I can't read the small print here, visually impaired, so I'll just have to open it to find out. Highbrow. So it looks like it is a brow pencil and a brow gel, I believe. It's a brow gel. I think I've tried their brow pencil before. So yeah, I bought the brow gel. I bought it as the set so that I could try the brow gel with it. Cause yeah, I think I did have the pencil previously. Oh, and it says the cute little writing on the inside of the box there too. Everything is so like packaged so well. The quality is like prestige. This is Longwear Eye Pencil. Don't know what color I bought. This looks like black. It's just a black eye pencil. It's always good to have one, you know, because I'm going to be creating a lot of looks with their products. So I think I was just trying to have, you know, the basics to create looks with. This is like a mascara. It says Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. So what does this look like? Oh, very sleek. Silver casing. I think I did have one of their mascaras before as well. I have another box full of my oh, you know what, this is brown. So I have the black mascara and I bought the brown mascara because I always want to try if I ever come across brown mascara. It's so hard to find it. So, you know, I think I noticed that they had the brown mascara and I was like, okay, I gotta try it, because I'm always telling, especially the ladies with albinism, you know, the color options out here besides black, because you know mascara always comes in black in most brands, and then it's very rare that I come across a brown one that looks like a true brown, so I'll be very interested to try it out. And then I also got another mascara, which I'm guessing it's, oh, surprise, it's blue. Okay, so let me tell you guys, I love blue mascara. I forgot that I bought this. I'm so excited. I love a blue mascara. When I was in middle school, high school, one of those, I would put the blue mascara on under my glasses because I used to wear glasses, and I felt like it just made my eyelashes stand out a little bit more, because I have blonde eyelashes, and then also wearing the glasses. Like, I didn't really have, put all the eye makeup and stuff on. I would usually wear like a purple eyeshadow and then like blue mascara, just kind of something fun. I never did any of these big elaborate color makeup looks. All right, what else is next? I got Inkliner. This must be I'm guessing a liquid liner. No, wrong. It's a eyeliner pen. Always need one of these as well, because, oh wow, very sharp line there. I have some bronzer on my, or contour on my hand, so sorry about if it looks like I just rubbed dirt on my hand. It's actually contour. This is nice. It's a very nice solid ink black liner, so I'm excited to try that also. So now I have the pencil liner and I have a ink pen liner. And I also got Brow Factor. Wow, I must have really been thinking about my brows that day. What is this? Brow Factor. Oh, so it says Longwear Eyebrow Gel. Okay, so this is a gel. Longwear Eyebrow Gel. And it comes in a tube, but I'm trying to figure out how do you apply this? What do you just like brush it? Ooh, that color. That's a nice color for blonde. So I gotta figure out what exactly do I do with this? Do I just put it on my brows and like brush it in? Because I thought the other thing was a brow gel. That must be something else then. It is Brow Pen Hypnotize Brow Shaper. So, oh, fill and fix brow shaper. Okay, so what I thought was the gel is some type of shaper gel type. It's probably the same thing. We'll give it all a try. I will definitely come back and let you guys know. Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream. So I've had a few of these. These are nice. This color looks like a very deep red. This is the lip cream, and I do like these a lot. Oh, it's actually like I think a burgundy, but it's like a matte lip, liquid lip. Ooh, yeah, I like that color. This is a deep red, very deep. And the packaging for these is so nice. It's like, I think it's glass. Yeah, it's like a glass lip, blah, 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 blah. Can't talk, you guys. I never can. This is called, oh, it's a lip gloss. Looks like it's just a regular solid pink, maybe. Pink, ooh, no. This is like a pearlescent baby pink. Looks very pretty in the, ooh, oopsie, goopy. Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. I don't know if I would wear this color though. I would probably top it over something else. I don't think I would wear that alone, but it's like a very light pink with kind of a shift to like a golden, light golden color. It's very pretty. I love gloss, so that'll be interesting. I have one more product, which is Rave Super Sheer Lip Color. Whoa. What is this now? I don't even remember this. Oh, okay. So this is like a lip crayon. I think I do remember looking at these and just wanted to try something. Oh my gosh, so hard to open. And then, aw, it came out. That's not good. You know what? I feel like I'm destroying it now. I just want it to come out. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it just melted. It was in there too long. It's fine. It's just a lip crayon, and it's like a purple color. Wow, I don't know. It's very bright. I don't know how to wear this, but maybe create some kind of fun look with this. All right, so those are all the products in my purchase, and now I have some PR I want to show you guys. And they came a long time ago. I was just super busy, crazy busy, and didn't get around to it. But Il Makiage sent me the Rico Nasty collaboration. Rico Nasty is, I think, I want to say she's a music artist, and this is a very fun, very bright, just electric looking collection. And I did take a peek at it briefly just to see what was in it, and gotta say this collection looks very nice. So let me open it up for you guys. Oh well, I'm always throwing things. Okay, so this is a eyeshadow palette, and just look at the detail on this packaging. I don't know if you guys can see, like, so cool. It's got like the skull, and look on the inside here, you got all these beautiful colors of the mattes, the brown, we got this nice beautiful teal, purples, blue. This is a great palette, like, just for a few everyday types of looks. And it's got the mattes on the bottom and the shimmers on the top. Some look a little more glittery than others, but it's not like that glitter shadow. It's just like it's got a little more shimmer than the other ones. And then this is another eyeshadow palette, which I will link them for you. This is the Neon Rage Pressed Pigment palette. So this is what it looks like on the outside. You guys, look at that. And then on the inside here, it has very bright neon colors: blue, purple, hot pink, this lime green, orange, and the white looks like it has like a shift of like a pinkish purple. So that's very nice. And these are sturdy. These feel really high quality. Super cool. And what else was in this PR was some, whoa, things are falling out. They sent me some eyeliner, well, it's eyeliner, I think. White eyeliner. My nails came off. Look at that. And yeah, it's just a white eyeliner. Nice for some really creative detail looks. They sent me one that is, I want to say this is black. Yeah, it's a black eyeliner. Same design on there, and then it's a black tip. And they also sent me an eyeshadow brush. This brush, oh, it's a double-ended brush. That's cool. I didn't notice that before. But yeah, it's got one tip that's like a dome, and then the other tip is like a blending brush. Super cool. And as always, thank you, Il Makiage, very much for sending me products. And that means I have more to work with to show you guys some really cool looks that you can do with Il Makiage products. My next video is going to be a full face of Il Makiage, so when that goes up, I will make sure to link that here for you guys to watch. And I hope I will see you guys again soon. Make sure you leave a comment if you guys have any questions about any of these products, any other products that you would like to see, or, you know, just any thoughts. You can always leave them here for me. I will be here for you, and talk to you guys soon. Bye!